It's been a busy week on the Defender Camper Build 2.0. Here's where we're at. The new pop-top roof frame is finally in, full aluminium constructions, adding just 50 kilos to the truck. Light, strong, ready for the road. Inside, I've ripped everything out and started fresh. Full interior rebuild, more storage than ever, and with the pop-top, I'll be able to sit on top comfortably. The bench now is raised for more storage, and I also have a bigger slide-out table where I can sit at it and eat even when the roof is down. One of my favorite upgrades, an external water tank with a heat exchanger, so now I can have a hot shower on the road whenever I park up. Oh, and a composting toilet, total game changer. No more late night or early morning setup with that awkward camping toilet. This build all about making life on the road simpler, lighter, and more livable. Next up, fitting the pop top itself. That's when things really start to come together. Stay tuned.